Everyone, Mohammed Arshad from Decoding Data Science. We have learned about the different dashboard options in the previous videos, like how to build, you can say, Excel charts, pivot tables, and how to build slicers, timeline, and how to connect everything. And today we are going to take all our learnings from our pivots and our earlier lessons, bring it together and build a Excel dashboard, a quick Excel dashboard that can not be an alternative to the BI tools like Tableau and Power BI, but it can be a quick analysis of your data to show to the business. So this is very important to have a summarized view of your different tables, your different charts in a way that business can use and dynamically change it according to the metrics or the KPI. So now directly sharing my screen and going to the data. So this is the dashboard that we are going to build over here. If you can see, this is the dashboard that we are going to build here, which has, it is a sales analysis of fruits data that is there, and it has different, you can say, fruits. What were the sales by the different sellers, resellers that were there. So we will just do this quickly. Hope you understand this dashboard. It is a simple dashboard which has 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 displays, or 4, you can say, charts, and 3 filters that you can see over here. So now going back to how to do this, the step-by-step analysis will be, first we need the data. So this is a very simple data here. What we will do, we'll copy this data in a new sheet and try to build it from scratch. So this is our data. So the first pivot, if I go here, is my table of fruits and seller. How many sellers have sold it, and the particular fruit that is there. So this summarizing this. So I'm going to insert reseller name. I just want to replicate this to show reseller month, reseller name, fruit. So it should be opposite. So this should be here. Product should be here, and sales should be here. So this is our first table that is there. So I will keep this as product sales table. This is my first thing. This is I'm telling you the step-by-step process of how we build a Excel dashboard. So this is done. Then what we have is we have this sales by is graph of the same thing. The same thing that you're seeing here. We have made a chart of the same thing, like 180. Can you see this? So we will go here itself. Do this. Insert. Recommended chart. So if you can see, this is something like this. The format view, they have data, design. So the design, you can look here. What do you want to keep? So somewhat that is up to you. You want to make it more Beautiful. You can add data labels and all those things. So we have our first, these two are ready over here. Then we need sales by month. For this, we need to make a separate pivot table, sales by month. I'll delete this. I just want to keep what is relevant. Insert pivot table, sales by month. So this is a graph. So first let me get this information. The months and the sales. The months and the sales. So months, product, sales. Is it something like this? So for every month, this is the sales. And let me just try to use this insert recommended chart. But this is not what we are showing here. We need to edit the data. Two things we can do. Select data, switch row and column. So this is what we have, and we can add data label here. And so now we have this. We can add access title. We can do all the beautifications later. Chart title is sales by month. So this is done. So now this I can just mention here, sales month. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create a this thing called dashboard. Two things we are going to do is first thing is we want to clean the grid lines. Then we need to get this table. We can get the table here. Just put it here. Little bit on top. Okay. Then I want to put the chart. Below this. Okay. The chart below this. So let it be like this. Next we have here we have sales by month. Sales by okay, so this is done. Now we need to add 3 slicers. First slicer is fruits. Month's reseller name. So what we will do is we will go here. First we will just click this. Actually this is not part of the table. So what we need to do, we need to copy. If we need this filter to work, we need to copy the whole thing just for now. And maybe we can remove it later, but okay, so this is there now because we want the slicer to work on everything. So we will go to analyze, insert slicer. First one is for month. Okay, so we have a month here. Then we have another slicer we can take from this one just to insert slicer, reseller name. Keep it 3 so it looks nice. It looks same size, reduce this, reduce this. Beautification, I am not doing much right now. This is just to show you the functionality. You can do much more later on. So now you see this is changing. So I will just keep it here. Okay, so this is done. And the last one is, can I ask you guys? It is our favorite products. And we got the products here as well. So all the three are now populated. So get some energy out. Yes. We have to be, we have got everything here, and it is all the slicers and all the three dashboards. Now, when I'm saying one, this is only moving, this is not moving. And now coming to few things that I will just tell you is to name this. We have three tables here, right? One is sales table, so we will mention here so that we know what we are actually, what all dashboards are there in actual, you can say, things. Then we have products. Then we have sales by month. So total three. Now what we will do is we will connect this filter to everything that is there. So we'll go to report connection. So we will just click everything. So every slicer is going to have connected to every graph that is there. So you can see the report connection option that is there is been selected with all the dashboards that has been there on the platform. Similarly, products. So this is done. So now if I create Apple, you will get everything about Apple. If you, now I will do everything. So now all the things are dynamic. This is the basic step just to, yeah. Okay, so now there is one, let me just see multi-select option. Multi-select, yes. Okay, just click multi-select when you're doing so that everything is selected. So this is done. I am now going to, here also I will do multi-select and I will select orange also. Multi-select, Sally. Cool. So now everything is selected. We have all the information, a little bit more beautification. Here we can insert the logo that we have, illustrations, pictures, this device. These two files are there in the downloaded files in our program. Please have a look. So this is our logo of the company whose sales analysis we are doing. Just making it a little short for it to fit in the dashboard. Okay, and now one more thing was there is sales and the name of the dashboard, or you can get all these things also. Okay, now how to get those bars you saw, right? How the bars that were there, how to get it. So there is an option of illustrations. There is an option of icons. So this is a very good property of Excel. Many people don't know. They go to Google and get all those things. So now you want, suppose you want months. So this is the, you can take this or this, insert. So you can get it here. So I can get something. So here. Then you have reseller. Reseller, you can, this is a name, person's name. So you can go here and insert illustrations, icons. You can do this. And then the other one was product. You can just take, just for now, insert these two. So this is for product, this is. Okay. And here we can insert a insert, or you can just write here sales analysis dashboard. And here also, if you want to do, had done sum of total. So the formula is grand total. You can just write here grand total. And if you want to see the grand total sales, you can just do is equal to sum of all the sales that is there here. And then here also it is showing grand total, but here they have removed it. So one thing is, if you want to remove for this pivot, if you want to remove this, go to design, subtotal, do not show grand total, off for rows and columns. Yeah, this is looking nice. You don't need to show grand totals. Make this all borders. So, and now grand total is basically the sum of everything. As you can see, sum of everything. And if you want to make it big, you can just merge and center and put a color green, and then make this big. Okay. And also merge and center, and so this is a thick border outside. So this is our dashboard that we have created. Let me make it this. Delete these two rows. Delete rows. If you want a border just like this, thick border outside, and you can slightly reduce this. Yeah. Yes. So it's fine. So this is our dashboard, which is ready. And we have made the dashboard. We have taken the, you can say, information from the different pivot tables, charts. We added slicer, we added images, we added illustration, did some formatting that is there. So I hope this quick exercise was helpful for you guys, wherein you can use the power of Excel, whatever we have done, add some extra features over it, analyze it, and focus on making the dashboard according to the analysis we have done. Beautification also, I showed you the different options that are there, like getting the illustrations, getting the slicers, formatting, bordering, and practice this sheet. The sheet is there with the data and the sample output. Try to make a new Excel and do this particular dashboard, and you can submit this option in the challenge also below of your dashboard that you have created. And thank you for watching, and for more information, write in the comments and get in touch with me for any questions. Have a great day and keep learning.